Centrally located in Victory Heights, this 2-bedroom bungalow welcomes you at the door with a 2019 renovation with laminate wood floors leading to the living room with a wood-burning fireplace adjacent to the large picture window. The remodeled kitchen wraps around the quartz-capped island and rich dark cabinets. Stainless steel appliances, including a gas range and dual-zone bar fridge, blend with the glass and porcelain tile backsplash. The fir banister frames the ample open dining room. French doors off the primary bedroom lead to a covered deck and hot tub overlooking the private fenced backyard. A 2023 built overheight storage shed is beside the deck. New hardscaping and paver pathways lead around to the side of the home. The second bedroom upstairs sits next to a remodeled full bathroom. Downstairs, a massive media family room sits beside another remodeled 3-piece bathroom and third bedroom. A large laundry room with a built-in laundry table are at the opposite end of the 2019 furnace and air conditioning, plus a 2025 hot water tank. Only blocks from Təməsew Aquatic Centre, the East Columbia corridor, and minutes from #1 highway.